How to change the notification sound for WhatsApp. First of all, open the WhatsApp app and tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Next, select Settings from the menu. Once you are in the settings, tap on Notifications. Here, you will see options to customize the notification settings for message notification, group notification, and call notification. To change the notification sound, tap on Notification Tone under the Message Notification section. You will be presented with a list of available notification sounds on your device. Scroll through the list and select the sound you prefer. Once you have chosen your sound, tap OK to save the changes. And that's it. Now you know how to change the notification sound for WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.